Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable picture-in-picture mode in Zoho Notebook. So here's how to turn it on. First, open Zoho Notebook on your phone. Go to settings, so click on the gear icon at the top left. Now scroll down a bit and tap on notes. Scroll down until you reach the video section. So you have lots of options in here, but we're looking for the video section. So scroll down, and once you found it, once enabled, Zoho Notebook allows support videos to continue playing even when you leave the app or switch to another screen. Now, this is useful if you're watching something and taking notes at the same time. So open a note that contains a video, like a save video card or embedded link. Play the video, then exit the app or go to your home screen and see if that works. Now, if supported, the video will shrink into a small floating window that stays on your screen. So it's best if you're watching tutorials while writing notes, reviewing lectures while summarizing key points, or multitasking without switching back and forth. So this feature only works with support video content. Not all embedded videos will trigger picture-in-picture, and your device must also support picture-in-picture. If it doesn't work, check your phone's picture-in-picture permissions in system settings. Make sure PIP or PIP is allowed for your browser or video apps, and restart Zoho Notebook after enabling the toggle. So, a pro tip: resize or move the floating window so it doesn't block your notes. Use earphones for a better experience while multitasking, and keep picture in picture enabled for faster workflow every time. And that's how you can enable and use picture in picture mode in Zoho Notebook. It's a small feature, but once you start using it, it can seriously improve how you take notes and multitask. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.